Hi guys, Niki here. Welcome to Niki D Art. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today I'm working on a 13-inch wood round, and the colours are listed in full in the description box. And to get to that, if you don't know, you'll see a little arrow on the right hand side, and you just click on that and the description box opens up. And everything is in there. The size of my Lazy Susan, where I bought it from, my affiliate code to get 15% discount off the Shelley Art course, all the pouring mediums that I use, link to my Instagram, link to my Facebook page, etc. Okay, I'll let you watch and I'll come back to you later.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Away in the night was so some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. No, we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. No, we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. I've got you. No, we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you.
Love these colours together, so pretty. I don't often use white cell activator. I tend to always go for black or dark navy metallic or copper or gold. Not sure why I don't very often use white. I think it looks lovely against these turquoises and aquas. So crisp, nice crisp lines. So I'll have to use white more often, I think. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I like it. I think it's pretty. So if you like it, please like and share and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate you all and all the lovely comments you leave. It's really makes my day. Thank you so much. And thank you for getting me up to 9,000 subscribers. I'm over the moon. I just can't believe it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found